swallow everything. Back in 2023, something weird happened. A tiny ghost particle called a neutrino slammed into Earth, which carried more energy than anything we can make in our biggest machines. Now, in 2026, a team at a university in America assumes that this particle came from a black hole that blew up, and they think we might see one under this phenomenon in the next 10 years. In 1974, a scientist named Stephen Hawking said something surprising. Right at the edge of a black hole, the empty space is not really empty. Tiny pairs of particles pop up all the time where one particle falls into the black hole and the other flies away. That particle which flies away takes a little bit of energy from the black hole, because of which the black hole gets a tiny bit smaller. This phenomenon happens again and again, resulting in the shrinking of black holes, and this is Hawking radiation. Big black holes, like the one in the middle of our galaxy, lose mass at an infinitely slow rate. But small black holes lose mass much faster. As they get smaller, they get hotter and send out more and more particles. Finally, they just pop in a quick burst. Some black holes are special, called primordial black holes. They are formed right after the Big Bang, when the whole universe was super hot and squeezed. Some of them stayed tiny. Hawking said these small ones would evaporate completely one day. In 2026, scientists looked again at that big neutrino that was found in 2023 and said it fits the pattern of an exploding primordial black hole and named them quasi-extremal. It has something extra called dark charge. They say there is up to a 90% chance we catch one of these explosions in the next 10 years. If it really happens, our telescopes are ready to see Hawking radiation for the first time, not just in books, in the sky. In 2025, the LIGO machines that listen for space shakes caught a clean black hole merger where two black holes crashed and became one. Before the crash, the total surface area was about 240,000 square kilometers. Then, it increases to 400,000. Hawking said in 1971 that the area of a black hole never goes down, which ultimately turned out to be true. But wait, it is not only the black holes. In 2025, 3 scientists from the Netherlands ran new numbers and said the same kind of slow leak happens around white dwarfs and neutron stars too, which are the leftover millions of dead stars. White dwarfs will take about 10 to the power of 78 years to fade away. That is a crazy long time, but shorter than the earlier guesses which said 10 to the 1,100 years. Neutron stars and small black holes both take around 10 to the power of 68 years, which is the same speed, because black holes pull some of their own radiation back in. So everything heavy in the whole universe suffers slow leaks. The whole system is not ideal, and there is no big explosion at the end. They just fade into particles. Scientists have not caught real Hawking radiation from a real black hole yet, but the clues keep coming, which are the strange neutrino, the perfect merger signal, and the new calculation about dead stars. Black holes do not live forever, as they can shrink or get hot, or they can pop. And the same thing happens to the leftover stars that are not even black holes. Indeed, the strongest things in space are not forever. They die a little bit every second. And maybe one of those tiny ancient black holes is getting ready to give us the biggest show of all. Scientists at UMass Amherst say that the super strong neutrino that had hit Earth in 2023, which nobody could explain, might be exactly one of these explosion pieces. From a special black hole with dark charge, which formed right after the Big Bang, there is up to 90% chance that we will catch a real explosion like this in the next 10 years. Our detectors are waiting to encounter the beautiful event. So the killer wins. The black hole does not stay forever. It shrinks and gets hot. Then it gives one last huge burst and disappears. Nothing lasts forever. Even the strongest monsters have nightmares. That is what we know till date in 2026. The story keeps going. The scientists keep checking their detectors, hoping that one day soon, the sky might light up with the final burst of a black hole that started at the very beginning of everything.